Hello teachers, my name is Angel Lee. If we haven't met, I'm the founder of Little Lingus Arts Academy. I am actually working from home in Taiwan. I'm actually in quarantine right now in a small room, but it's totally fine. You might know that Taiwan is one of the countries who is doing really well with COVID. With 23 million people live on this very small island, we actually only have 50 cases maybe. At one point of time, they have no cases at all. Anyway, today I saw something and I really want to share with you. I think it will be very helpful for you. That is, I like to make the mask stay more secure on your face. We know we all wear surgical mask like this, but the problem is when you wear it, there's a lot of space here. So today I'm going to show you a little trick that will make this mask much more secure. All you need is a surgical mask and a staple. A smaller staple work better, but you only have big one, that should be totally fine. And it's actually really easy. All you need to do is fold it in the 90-degree angle and the staple it. That's it, both sides. You want the wire part, the wire side over the other side. So the wire side is here and make it over the other side and make a 90-degree. Can you see that, a 90-degree? So with the 90-degree, and you want to staple it, and you want the smooth side inside and the two-prong side outside. So staple like this, the other side too, the wire side over the other side, and make a 90-degree. 90-degree like this. Can you see a 90-degree? Yes, 90-degree. Okay, so make a 90-degree and staple it. There. So now you can see it's much more three-dimensional. You put it on for the nose part. Here, it's very flat to your face. And you can also stack it together. It be like almost like a boat. You can stack together and like these. So I hope this helped. And thank you very much for everything you do. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.